Let's remind you of the breaking news we're following at this time here on Arise News. Nigeria's President Muhammadu Buhari has tested negative for the COVID-19 virus following a test for the disease that was carried out yesterday on the president by the Nigeria Center for Disease Control, the NCDC. Well, Arise News can report that the NCDC has informed the president on the outcome of his negative status this morning in Abuja, bringing relief and excitement to the presidential villa. According to the presidential sources, the test for the president was necessitated after his chief of staff, Abba Kyari, tested positive for COVID-19 on Monday. Mr. Kyari had traveled to Germany on Saturday, March the 7th, to meet with officials of Siemens in Munich on the Nigerian electricity expansion program. Mr. Kyari then returned exactly 1 week later on Saturday, March the 14th, but did not show any symptoms. He was said to have been at a meeting on containing the COVID-19 pandemic in Nigeria all through Sunday, where he reportedly started to cough. Well, subsequently, Mr. Kyari voluntarily submitted himself for testing and was informed of his positive status yesterday. He has, as of last night, gone into isolation and treatment has begun. We'll be staying with this story. As more details unfold, we'll bring them to you.